Have you ever wondered why peacocks have those stunningly long tails? I mean, they're practically the fashion icons of the animal kingdom. It all boils down to survival and attraction. Those extravagant feathers, which can reach up to 6 feet long, aren't just for show. They play a crucial role in mating rituals. Male peacocks fan out their tails to impress females, showcasing their vibrant colors and intricate patterns. The more magnificent the display, the more likely they are to catch a female's eye. It's nature's version of a dating app profile. But here's the kicker. Those long tails come with a price. They can be cumbersome and make the peacock more visible to predators. So, it's a delicate balance between beauty and survival. Next time you see a peacock strutting its stuff, remember, it's not just flaunting, it's playing the ultimate game of love. Isn't that fascinating? Have you ever wondered why bats hang upside down? It's not just a quirky party trick, it's actually a survival strategy. Bats are fascinating creatures, and their upside-down lifestyle helps them stay safe from predators. When they hang in caves or trees, they can quickly take flight without needing to climb down first. Imagine trying to run away from danger when you're stuck on the ground. Plus, their unique anatomy allows them to hang effortlessly. They have special tendons in their feet that lock into place, so they don't even have to exert energy to stay hanging. This position also keeps them warm and cozy, especially when they're roosting in groups. And let's not forget about their feeding habits. Being upside down makes it easier to swoop down and catch insects. So next time you see a bat hanging out, remember, it's not just for show, it's all about survival. Have you ever wondered why camels have those iconic humps? It's not just for show. Those humps are actually fascinating adaptations to survive in harsh desert environments. You see, a camel's hump is like a built-in backpack, storing fat that the animal can use for energy when food and water are scarce. This means they can trek across vast stretches of desert without needing to snack every few hours. But here's the kicker. When camels use this fat, it actually helps them stay cool. That's right. Instead of overheating, they can regulate their body temperature better. Plus, when they do find water, they can drink up to 40 gallons in one go, replenishing their bodies after long journeys. So, next time you see a camel, remember, those humps are not just a quirky feature. They're a brilliant survival strategy that's helped these incredible creatures thrive in some of the toughest conditions on Earth. Have you ever wondered why penguins can't fly? I mean, they look like little tuxedoed birds ready for a fancy gala, but they're stuck waddling on land and diving underwater. It's fascinating when you think about it. Penguins evolved in a world where flying wasn't necessary for survival. Instead, they became incredible swimmers. Their wings transformed into flippers, perfectly designed for gliding through icy waters, allowing them to chase fish with remarkable agility. Isn't that amazing? While other birds soar through the skies, penguins dive deep, reaching depths of over 1,800 feet. Plus, their heavy bones help them stay submerged, unlike the lightweight birds that take to the air. So, while they may not be able to fly, they've mastered the art of swimming. In a way, they're the ultimate underwater acrobats. Have you ever watched a cheetah sprint and wondered, how on earth do they go that fast? I mean, we're talking about the fastest land animal, reaching speeds up to 75 miles per hour. It's incredible! So, what's the secret behind their speed? First off, cheetahs have this amazing body structure. Their long legs and lightweight frame are like nature's sports car. Plus, they have a flexible spine that stretches and contracts as they run, giving them that incredible stride length. And let's not forget their unique respiratory system, which allows them to take in oxygen more efficiently while sprinting. But it's not just about speed, it's about acceleration. Cheetahs can go from 0 to 60 in just a few seconds. They're built for short bursts, perfect for catching prey. So next time you see a cheetah in action, remember, it's not just fast, it's a finely tuned machine of nature.
Have you ever wondered why kangaroos hop instead of just walking like most animals? It's actually pretty fascinating. Kangaroos are built for hopping. Their powerful hind legs are like springs, allowing them to cover vast distances with minimal energy. It's all about efficiency in the wild. When they hop, they can travel up to 30 feet in a single bound. Imagine that. Plus, Hopping helps them escape predators quickly. Those long tails, they act like a counterbalance, keeping them stable while they bounce around. And let's not forget the unique way their bodies work. When they hop, their tendons store energy, making each leap easier than the last. So the next time you see a kangaroo bounding across the outback, remember, it's not just a quirky way to get around. It's a survival strategy, a testament to evolution, and a reminder of how wonderfully adapted nature can be.
Owls have silent flight for one compelling reason: survival. Their unique wing structure, with broad, rounded wings and specialized feathers, allows them to glide through the night without a sound. This adaptation is not merely a quirk of nature, it's a finely tuned evolutionary strategy. By minimizing noise, owls can approach their prey undetected, giving them the upper hand in the hunt. Imagine a world where every rustle, every flap, echoed through the thin darkness. Their prey would scatter, hearts racing, senses heightened. But owls, with their stealth, become the shadows of the night, masters of ambush. This silent approach also protects them from larger predators, allowing them to thrive in diverse habitats. In a way, the silence of their flight embodies the essence of their existence: graceful, deliberate, and profoundly effective. It's a reminder of how nature crafts solutions, ensuring that even in the stillness, life persists.
Dolphins are highly intelligent due to their complex social structures, advanced communication abilities, and need for problem-solving in the wild. Living in groups called pods, they cooperate in hunting, use sophisticated vocalizations, and even show empathy toward each other. Their large brains, particularly the neocortex, enable higher-order thinking and learning. Dolphins can solve problems, use tools, and exhibit self-awareness, all of which contribute to their remarkable cognitive abilities. Their intelligence helps them navigate their environment, communicate effectively, and maintain strong social bonds. Elephants have large ears primarily to help them regulate their body temperature in hot climates. As they live in warm regions like Africa and parts of Asia, staying cool is essential for their survival. The large surface area of their ears contains numerous blood vessels. When an elephant flaps its ears, it increases air circulation over these vessels, which cools the blood. This cooled blood then circulates through their body, helping to lower their overall body temperature. In addition to thermoregulation, elephants also use their ears for communication. They can flap their ears to signal excitement, aggression, or alertness to other elephants. The movement of their ears can be a form of nonverbal communication within the herd. Furthermore, the size of their ears enhances their hearing, allowing them to detect low-frequency sounds and vibrations from long distances, which is useful for locating water sources or communicating with distant herd members. Giraffes are tall primarily to help them reach leaves and vegetation high up in trees, especially in environments where food sources closer to the ground may be scarce. Their height allows them to access a unique food niche that other herbivores cannot reach, giving them a competitive advantage. Additionally, their long necks help them spot predators from a distance, providing extra security in the wild. Over time, these benefits have made tall giraffes more likely to survive and reproduce, leading to their characteristic height through evolution.
Have you ever heard a wolf howl under the moonlight and wondered what it all means? Well, let's dive into that. Wolves howl for several reasons, and it's not just for the dramatic effect. First and foremost, howling is a way for wolves to communicate with each other. Imagine being in a dense forest, separated from your pack. Howling helps them locate one another across long distances. It's like sending a text message in the wilderness. But there's more. Howling can also establish territory. When a wolf howls, it's basically saying, "This is my turf, back off." It's a way to warn other packs to stay clear. And let's not forget about social bonding. When a pack howls together, it strengthens their connections, fostering unity and cooperation. So, next time you hear that haunting sound, remember, it's not just a call, it's a language, a declaration, and a celebration of their wild spirit. Have you ever wondered why sloths are so slow? I mean, they move at a pace that makes a snail look like it's in a race. But here's the thing. Sloths have a unique survival strategy. Their slow movement helps them avoid detection by predators. When you're a sloth, Blending in is key, and moving slowly means you're less likely to be spotted by hungry eyes. Plus, they have a super low metabolism. Their diet consists mainly of leaves, which are low in calories, so they conserve energy by taking it easy. Imagine having to eat all day just to stay awake. And let's not forget, their slow movements are actually quite graceful. It's like they're in their own Zen world, taking life one leaf at a time. So next time you see a sloth, remember, slow isn't just a pace, it's a lifestyle. Embrace the sloth within you. Have you ever wondered why octopuses have 8 arms? I mean, it's not just for show. These incredible creatures have evolved with 8 limbs for a reason. Each arm is packed with thousands of sensory receptors, allowing them to taste and feel their environment in ways we can only imagine. Picture this. While one arm is exploring a crevice for a tasty crab, the others are multitasking, maybe camouflaging or even feeling for predators. And let's talk about flexibility. Their arms can move independently, giving them an advantage in tight spots and helping them escape from danger. Plus, they can regenerate lost limbs, which is like having a built-in backup plan. It's fascinating how nature designs these creatures for survival. So next time you see an octopus, remember, those 8 arms aren't just for flair. They're a testament to evolution's creativity and the need to thrive in a complex underwater world. Have you ever wondered why chameleons change color? It's not just for show or to blend into their surroundings, although that's part of it. These fascinating creatures use color change as a form of communication and a way to express their emotions. When they're feeling threatened, they might turn darker to signal danger, while a bright, vibrant hue can indicate they're feeling bold or ready to mate. It's like their own mood ring, but way cooler. And get this, their color change isn't just about camouflage. It's also linked to temperature and light. If they're feeling hot, they might lighten up to reflect more sunlight. Isn't that amazing? So, the next time you see a chameleon, remember, it's not just a master of disguise. It's also a little mood artist, painting its feelings right on its skin. Nature really knows how to keep things interesting, doesn't it? Have you ever wondered why polar bears have white fur? It's fascinating when you think about it. Their stunning white coats aren't just for looks, they serve a crucial purpose. Living in the Arctic, polar bears need to blend in with their icy surroundings to hunt effectively. That white fur acts like nature's perfect camouflage, helping them sneak up on seals and other prey. But here's the kicker. Their fur isn't actually white. It's transparent and hollow, reflecting light and making them appear white against the snow and ice. Isn't that mind-blowing? Plus, that thick layer of fur keeps them warm in freezing temperatures, acting like a cozy blanket in the harsh Arctic climate. So next time you see a polar bear on your screen, remember, it's not just a cute animal. It's a marvel of evolution, perfectly adapted to survive in one of the harshest environments on Earth.